Good day! So dito meron tayo ngayong AMAN ARX 23-2. We'll be discussing about some important reminders for the starting of the machine. First, kailangan natin i-check the 360 walk-around inspection. We have here the fuel water separator. Kung makikita natin, dito meron tayong red line. So sa ngayon, this is a new machine, so wala pa tayo makikitang contaminants or water doon sa ilalim. Pero if ever na meron tayo, yung red na yun umangat, o may makikita tayong tubig doon, iikot lang natin to drain yung tubig, then isara lang natin. Okay, so fuel water separator, then engine oil dipstick. Okay, so we need to check. Basa lang natin ng basahan. So makikita natin, dito meron dalawang line, the lower and upper level. So we need to check. As you can see, nandun tayo sa within the range. So sa engine oil, makikita natin dyan, una yung level, kung tama yung level. Pangalawa, yung kulay, kung transparent pa siya. This means this a good engine oil pa. Then ito lang natin. And then coolant. So meron dyan full and low. Hydraulic oil tank. Dito natin makikita yung level. So yun. So kung makikita meron tayong sight glass dyan to check the level ng hydraulic oil. Sa kabilang side, we have the air filter. Check natin to kung masyadong maraming alikabok. So this is still a brand new machine, so wala pang dust. So pero we need to check. Then open lang natin to. So meron tayong outer air filter. So we need to check. Ito at this case malinis pa. Minsan ipapagpag lang natin to para matanggal yung mga dust particles. Safety element or your inner air filter. So we need to check that. And ito kailangan din natin nililinis. Pag nag-check tayo, then balik lang natin. And we have the fuses, battery. We need to check if mahigpit pa yung mga terminals natin. We need to test it after a few weeks of operation. Okay, we have the battery cutoff. Before starting, on lang natin yung battery cutoff for battery. So ginagamit natin ito for battery safety. So make sure lang after operation papatayin din natin. But this time mag-start tayo ng machine, so i-on lang natin. So those are the basics. Then if everything is okay, we can proceed with the operation. Pag umakit tayo ng machine for safety, 3-point contact. There's 1, 2, and 3. So pag nag-on tayo ng susi, kung mapapakinggan nyo yung parang maandar na blower, hintayin natin tumigil yung pinaka-blower. On this rate, hindi siya tumitigil, so ibig sabihin, meron tayong issue dun sa machine. Dito sa dashboard, makikita natin may mga error code like F056, 072, -12. First, check natin emergency stop. Ikot lang natin. Natin kung na mabawasan. Then, level, dapat nakalagay sa parking brake. So, dapat nakasagad siya. So, may mga cases kasi na minsan naiiwan to ng at this position. So, dapat ganyan. Then, we still have an error. Okay, so patayin natin. Make sure na nakaupo tayo ng maayos dahil meron siyang sensor sa upuan na pagka hindi na-detect ng sensor na may nakaupo or walang nakaupo ay may possibility na hindi siya mag-start or mamamatay yung engine. So we need to check. So at this state, kung baka ulitin ko lang. Pakinggan natin yung blower. Okay, so namatay siya. So makikita natin wala na siyang error. Okay, we need to check emergency stop at saka yung control lever. So at this rate, pwede na tayo mag-start. Don't forget, 3 to 5 minutes warm up ng engine before the operation and 3 to 5 minutes cool down ng engine after the operation. After those, na-check natin, i-on natin. Okay, namatay yung blower. Then we need to start. After cranking, kahit talagang start, ayaw pa rin. So we need to check the fuses. Let's go. So, kung ayaw pa rin mag-start after checking the emergency stop, control lever, naka-position na at nakaupo na maayos doon sa upuan and wala namang error code na nakita. So, we need to check the fuses. For starting fuses, so we need to check the fuse 21. So, battery shut off muna natin. We need to check the fuse. As you can see, yung fuse F21 is loose yung connection, so we need to check. First, we need to check kung may putol or busted yung fuse. So makikita doon sa gitna. So in this case, okay naman yung fuse, or you can use a tester. Pwede mo i-test dito kung may continuity. So in this case, this is a 35 ampere fuse. So slide lang natin na maayos doon sa F21 and sara lang natin. Check natin yung mga fusible link, 70 ampere, so okay naman. Then with a 50 ampere fusible link. So if ever may sunog dyan, might as well kailangan palitan. So at this case, okay naman. So ito, makikita kung sira to, parang sunog na. or panluto na yung pinaka-plastic niya. So this case, pwede natin testingin kung mag-start. Battery cut-off on. Isara lang natin ulit ito. So double check emergency stop, control lever, and seat switch. Okay. Tingnan natin kung mag-start. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.